In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud for your photos so they don't take up space on your iPhone or iPad. Managing your photo storage effectively can make a significant difference in your device's performance and storage capacity. By using iCloud, you can ensure that your precious memories are safe and accessible without hogging your device's space. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening the settings on your device. Just locate the gear icon and give it a tap. It's always situated on your iPhone or iPad's home screen, making it easy to find. Once you're in settings, look towards the top where you'll see your Apple ID. It shows your name, and that's the section you need to tap next. By doing this, you'll be guided into a world of all things Apple ID and iCloud related. Once you've tapped your Apple ID, you'll notice an option that says iCloud. Tap on this to bring up a list of various features you can sync with iCloud. Here, look for photos and tap on this as well. This will allow us to make the necessary adjustments to how photos are stored. Now you should see an option called Sync this iPhone/iPad. Toggle this on. It's often also labeled as iCloud Photos depending on your device and the iOS version you're using. By enabling this feature, you activate the syncing process between your device and iCloud. This means all the new photos you take will seamlessly transfer to iCloud whenever your device connects to Wi-Fi, helping you manage space and access your photos across all your Apple devices. Next, let's ensure we're making the most of our storage. You'll want to look for an option labeled Optimize iPhone Storage. Toggle this setting on. What this feature does is save space on your iPhone or iPad by keeping full resolution photos in iCloud while only storing smaller device-friendly versions on your device. This clever optimization ensures that your device runs smoothly, even if you're a photo enthusiast snapping shots left and right. Now with these settings in place, your photos will start uploading to iCloud, and you'll soon notice more available space on your device. Be patient as the upload process might take some time, particularly if you have many photos or if your Wi-Fi connection is slow. Once the upload is complete, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you're freeing up valuable space on your device while keeping your full resolution images safely stored in iCloud. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you've optimized your photo storage and ensured that your memories are safe and accessible anywhere, anytime. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly freed up storage space.